The 500 Greatest Albums of All Time is a recurring music ranking published by American magazine Rolling Stone of the greatest albums. The first list was released in a special issue of the magazine in 2003 and a related book in 2005. The lists were compiled based on votes from selected musicians, critics, and industry figures. Discounting the 2005 book edition, which contained only 8 different entries, the list has been revised twice. In 2012, Rolling Stone published a revised edition of the list drawing on the original and a later survey of albums up until the early 2000s. Another updated edition of the list was published in 2020 with 154 new entries, not on either of the 2 previous editions. It was based on a new survey and does not factor in the 2 that were conducted for the previous lists. The first version of the list, published as a magazine in November 2003, was based on the votes of 273 rock musicians, critics, and industry figures, each of whom submitted a weighted list of 50 albums. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.